Let's talk about navel acupuncture. Now we use Ziwu map, Ziwu Liuzhu map on the navel or Bai Hui points. Alright? Then the question is, look, Zi gallbladder, Wu heart, right? And I go that way, 12 meridian. Right? Then this is the A map, right? If head is up there, feet is up there, and so the gallbladder is on the head direction and heart is on the feet direction. It could be another possibility, which is B, totally opposite with that one, which is heart is on the top, gallbladder is on the bottom. Now, it can be another C, look. Gallbladder is over here, heart is over here. Right? It's totally different. It could be that way too. D, gallbladder is here, heart is over here. So now the question is, which one is the right map? When you place it on your belly button, on patient belly button or Bai Hui point, which one is the right one to do? Right? Which one will get the results? Now, in my workshop in Malaysia, in August, in New Zealand, in September, I'm going to tell you the secret. Right? So if you want to join, if you want to learn balance method acupuncture theory on navel acupuncture, do not miss my workshop. I'll see you next month or September in New Zealand. So contact me if you want to join my workshop. Thank you.